A $200,000 legend, the 1970 Dodge Charger RT 440 Magnum that made America fall in love with raw horsepower. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel, because today we're taking a journey back to one of the greatest eras in American muscle car history. A time when horsepower was king, engines were built with attitude, and every street became a battlefield for legendary machines. Sitting before us is not just a classic car. This is a 1970 Dodge Charger RT, a true Mopar icon valued at $200,000, finished in the unforgettable Limelight Green with the perfect combination of aggressive styling, factory performance, and collector-level details. The moment this Charger appears, it commands attention. The long hood, hidden lines, muscular stance, and unmistakable Coke bottle body shape represent everything that made the second-generation Charger one of the most desired muscle cars ever created. But this particular example takes that legendary design and combines it with some of the most desirable factory equipment available in 1970. The first thing that grabs your attention is the incredible limelight green finish. Under the sunlight, this color transforms the Charger into a rolling piece of automotive artwork. Paired with the black vinyl roof, black side stripes, and aggressive body moldings, the contrast creates a look that is both elegant and intimidating. This is the kind of combination that stops conversations at car shows and turns heads everywhere it goes. At the rear, the iconic J81 rear wing gives this Charger the unmistakable NASCAR-inspired attitude that made the model famous. The aggressive spoiler, wide body stance, and classic styling details remind everyone that this machine was created during the golden age of American performance. But the real magic begins under the hood. Opening the hood reveals the heart of this beast, the legendary E86 440 Ci Magnum V8 engine. Producing 375 horsepower, this big block powerhouse delivers the kind of effortless torque that defined Mopar muscle. The 440 Magnum was built for drivers who wanted serious performance with everyday usability. It wasn't just about numbers, it was about the feeling of pressing the accelerator and hearing a massive V8 come alive. Connected to this powerful engine is one of the most exciting combinations a muscle car enthusiast could ask for, the D21 heavy-duty 4-speed manual transmission. Every gear change becomes an experience, allowing the driver to feel directly connected to the machine. This isn't a car that simply transports you, it creates a relationship between driver and road. Helping deliver that power is the legendary A33 Dana 60 rear end, paired with 3.541 rear gears. This setup was designed for durability and performance, allowing the Charger to handle the massive torque produced by the 440 Magnum. It represents the engineering mindset of an era when cars were built strong enough to survive serious punishment. The driving experience is enhanced with power steering, power drum brakes, and a performance-focused setup featuring Magnum 500 wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich radial TCA tires. These classic wheels perfectly complete the Charger's aggressive appearance while maintaining the timeless muscle car personality. The attention to detail continues underneath the vehicle. The painted underside, dual exhaust system, new gas tank, and updated hardware showcase a commitment to keeping this Charger looking as impressive below as it does above. Every angle tells a story of careful restoration and respect for the original design. Step inside, and the Charger welcomes you with a classic black vinyl interior that perfectly matches its exterior attitude. The front bucket seats provide the perfect muscle car driving position, while the wood grain center console adds a touch of sophistication. This interior is a reminder that performance and style were never separate ideas. The driver faces a complete Rallye gauge package, giving important information through a beautifully designed dashboard. The factory-style steering wheel sits perfectly in front of the driver, while the N85 tachometer adds that extra connection between driver and engine. Even the small details make this Charger special. The R22 AM radio with 8-track player, intermittent wipers, manual mirrors, and factory lighting package transport you directly back to 1970. 1970. These features are not just equipment, they are pieces of history preserved inside a legendary automobile. The 1970 Dodge Charger RT represents a moment when American manufacturers created machines with personality, power, and presence. It was an era when the sound of a big block V8 could define an entire generation of car enthusiasts. Today, a Charger RT equipped like this is more than a classic car. It is a collectible masterpiece. The combination of the 440 Magnum V8, Dana 60 rear axle, Limelight Green exterior, black vinyl roof, rear wing, and factory-inspired details makes this Charger a dream machine for collectors around the world. At $200,000, this Mopar legend represents the value of history, craftsmanship, and pure American performance. It is not simply a vehicle from the past, it is a reminder of a time when cars had attitude, engines had personality, and every drive felt like an event. The 1970 Dodge Charger RT doesn't chase attention, it creates it. A true American muscle legend that continues to prove why the golden age of horsepower will never be forgotten.